Metrobank Online Banking. How to enroll for Metrobank Online Account. And if you're new to this channel and you want more helpful videos like this, please click the subscribe button. From our previous video, pinakita namin kung paano mag-open ng account sa Metrobank. And also, pinakita rin namin kung paano i-claim yung ATM and i-change yung PIN for the first time. For this video, ang gagawin naman natin is mag-open tayo ng online account with Metrobank. Since nakapag-open na ako ng savings account with them, I can go ahead and create my online account with Metrobank. Through this online account, pwede na ako mag-fund transfer and mag-pay bills online. Napaka-convenient kung meron kang account na to. So, let's start. First, go to metrobank.com.ph. And nandito ako sa personal banking website ng Metrobank. I'll click this login first. And dito, hindi tayo makakapag-login muna because wala pa tayong account with them. So, ang gagawin natin is for this, not yet enrolled, I'll click sign up now. For the initial step, I'll pick the account that I want to enroll. So, it's an ATM card and I'll click continue. And then here, kailangan kong kumpletuhin yung details na to. For preferred user ID, ngayon pa lang ako gagawa ng user ID sa Metrobank. So, pag nagawa ko na yung user ID dito, moving forward, kung mag-login ako sa online account ko with Metrobank, yun yung gagamitin kong pang login kasama yung password na isa-set ko later on. So, the user ID should be a combination of characters or alphabet and a number. For ATM card number, let's click this. Ito yung card number yung nasa harapan, yung 16-digit card number. However, may instruction dito na please add 3 zeros at the end of your 16-digit card number. So, yun yung gagawin natin. Ilalagay natin yung card numbers na to plus 3 zeros at the end. So, lagay ko lang siya dito. And enter the 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. For ATM PIN, ito yung PIN na sinet mo sa ATM mo. So, ilalagay ko siya dito and remember or reminder lang na jumbled yung numbers dito. So, careful lang sa paglagay. And I'll click accept. For cardholder's name, this should be my full name. And salutation. And gender is female. For date of birth, ito yung format na kailangan i-follow. So, month muna, followed by the day, and then year. And then for email address, make sure na yung i-enter mong details for email address and mobile number is active para sa mga PIN or OTP na i-send nila. So, this is for my email address, for my mobile number. And click continue. So, I have to review all these details. Kung tama naman lahat, click confirm. And it's loading. But hintayin lang natin siya. You're almost done. To complete the enrollment, please click the activation link na nasend sa email address. This is the reason kung bakit dapat updated or active yung email address and also yung mobile number mo. So, I'll open my Gmail account. So, it's currently loading. And ito na yung email na na-receive ko from Metrobank. So, open ko to. So, in this email, may instruction. Kailangan kong i-open tong link na to. And by the way, this link will remain active within 3 days after ko ma-receive to. So, mas maganda na as soon as ma-receive mo yung email, ma-activate mo na rin siya. And also, may pin-provide din silang password dito. This will serve as your temporary password. Also, may mga succeeding instruction dito like you have to agree sa terms and conditions nila. Kailangan may security questions and answer ka na iset. Kailangan rin napasa mo yung OTP authentication process. And kailangan mo mag-assign or i-change yung temporary password. So, yun yung gagawin natin. As mentioned here, copy and paste the link. So, I'll do that. So, I'll highlight this, copy, and open a new tab. And I'll paste it over here. And hit enter. So, please enter the temporary password. So, punta ako dito. I-highlight ko itong temporary password and copy. password here and paste. And click continue. So, hindi pa naglo-load yung end user license agreement. And siguro for this tutorial, hindi ko na siya hihintayin mag-load. So, I'll go ahead and click I agree. You have an option to wait for the terms and conditions before clicking the agree button. And next for this step is set up the challenge questions and answer. And reminder lang, importante na hindi mo dapat makalimutan yung isaset mong security question and answer dito. So, I'll just complete all this. For question number 3, wala nang drop-down katulad nito. So, pwede ka na lang mag-invento like maybe favorite superhero or something like that. So, yun na lang ilalagay ko rito. Ganyan siya. And click save. And for security measure, dito na natin i-enter yung OTP na na-receive sa phone. So, i-enter ko na siya dito. And click continue. So, for temporary password, balik ako sa email. And copy ko ulit to. And paste dito. And for new password, dito na ako mag-a-assign ng personal password ko. So, importante na hanggat maaari confidential to. Dapat ako lang nakakaalam ng password ko sa online account ko with Metrobank. Ang reason dyan is since may laman na pera yon, pwede ko siyang i-transfer online to any Metrobank account. Pwede rin ako magbayad ng bills online. So, mahalaga na ako lang nakakaalam ng password ko para hindi mag-take advantage ng iba yung feature na yon. And ito yung mga parameters for your password. Yung character, may limit siya. It should contain an alphabet. Dapat may big letter and one small letter din. Dapat may number din siya. Dapat hindi siya kapareho ng user ID na sinet ko. And it should include special character. And also, lastly, case sensitive din siya. And I'll click continue. So, here's the confirmation na change password successful. Ito yung mga details ko. So, I'll go ahead and click login para matest yung password and user ID na sinet ko kanina. And click login. So, ito na yung online account ko with Metrobank. So, under deposit accounts, ito yung account number ko with them. Ito rin yung current balance ko sa account ko or sa ATM ko. And also, may mga features dito na pwede ko mag-take advantage online. Like, pwede ako magbayad ng bills online. Pwede rin ako mag-transfer funds online. And may iba pang mga options dito. Like, if I want to open a new account, pwede rin. Or pwede rin ako magbayad ng tax. So, yung mga features na to, pwede natin i-explore sa mga next videos. So, stay tuned for that. And that's it. Sana nakatulong tong video na to. Please let us know by clicking the like button. You may also check these videos. We have other videos about Metrobank. And also, may mga videos din kami in case you're interested on how to grow your money online. And this is Lou from Invest Library. Until next time, bye-bye!